Hi everybody! Today we're making spaghetti Alfredo with cauliflower based sauce. Ingredients include red lentil pasta, cauliflower, plant-based milk, mushrooms, lemon and garlic, cashews, salt, onion powder, black pepper, and paprika. Add your whole cauliflower to boiling water and cover. Heat some oil in the pan and add your mushrooms. Add your seasoning to your mushroom. Add a squeeze of lemon. Stir the mushrooms and let them cook down. Now that the cauliflower is ready, let's make our sauce. Add the cauliflower to the blender. Add a cup of plant-based milk, cashews, garlic cloves, salt, and blend. Next, we're going to cook down our lentil pasta. Finally, we're going to add our sauce to our sauteed mushrooms. Plate your pasta in your cauliflower-based Alfredo sauce. Time to eat!